If your seat starts to get uncomfortable, it starts sagging, you realize you're starting to have back pain while you're driving around, this is the culprit right here. When you take off your seat cover, this is what you're gonna see: a potentially dingy, yellow, old, nasty seat foam that you are sitting on every single day. But what's happening is the side bolster that you normally get in your truck, from one side you start scooting over, that bolster is just getting destroyed, and you start losing all the support. Not only will that start to rip up your seat cover because there's no support there, it just kind of starts, you know, the material starts grinding against each other and potentially rip. This uneven surface now has gotten to where when you're sitting, you're lopsided, your back is hurting, you just feel like you're out of kilter. Ditch this foam. It's time to replacement to have your truck feeling new again. But not all foam is equal. I want to show you exactly what you're going to get when you buy from us, a Durofoam product, versus a cheaper product that you really don't know what you're getting. So let's get into it. This is a Durofoam seat cushion. This Durofoam is a heavier weight, so it is more supportive. It feels great. When you put your new seat cover on or your old seat cover, it's gonna be very supportive. You're gonna be level, your back's gonna be straight. You're just gonna feel better. It's a whole new driving experience. This is gonna come in a nice box. As you notice, when you take it out of the box, it's gonna look just like this. It's gonna be protected. But this is what you can get when you're buying a cheaper product. So you get in thinking, I'm just gonna save some money. This is exactly a competitor's foam. We're gonna open this up and I'm gonna tell you exactly what's wrong with it. The minute you get it, it's literally coming to you like this. And the reason they do this is because they could put far more of these in a shipping container, and that's just not the case with a Durofoam product. So this thing looks like a brisket. It looks like something I should be cooking. All right. Really did a number on this. Okay, so that's the outer layer. So this is in a bag. Let's cut this open. I'm gonna find just a loose spot here. All right, they are not making this easy. So let's just make a bigger cut here. I could tell you, if I just paid for this foam to arrive to me looking like this, I'm already not happy. Are you kidding me? Here's your installation instructions. Yeah, that's garbage. It's already out of shape. Like, you cannot make this up. It's out of shape. This is what holds your cover on. Look at that. Durofoam, this is what you're gonna get. This foam was so mushed together that it's actually on top of the Velcro in areas. So now I'm trying to separate it off the Velcro, because that Velcro is where this seat cover is gonna mount to. I'm pulling it off the Velcro because it's stuck, and now the foam is ripping. It's stuck to the Velcro. See how that is ripping off of that edge? This is gonna cause a lot of problems. First of all, Velcro is not supposed to be bent around. The smell of this foam smells very chemical. I don't know where this foam was made. Durofoam, there is no odor at all coming from our Durofoam product. This has a very strong chemical smell. So, you know, hey, you're gonna smell that in your vehicle. So what we wanna say is not all foams are made equal.